how to stop the keyboard sounds on your Android phone. So if you're typing on your keyboard and you're hearing sounds or sound effects, here's how to disable that. First, you want to go to the settings and then you want to scroll down to sounds and vibration. Click on it. And then you want to scroll down and click on additional settings. And then scroll down and under system sounds, you should disable the dial pad tones and then the tap sounds. Make sure the checkbox next to it is disabled. And now if you open up your keypad or keyboard, and when you try to type something, that should basically disable these sound effects. And you can only hear vibration, but you can also disable the vibration from the settings. If you go back, you should see this setting here which says vibrate on tap. You can basically turn it off or control the vibration intensity. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.